Alright, so first off, for all of you that are asking about the fingerprint sensor, yes, mine works, as you can see right there. Not a problem. I'll do it one more time. Alright, and on to the video. What's going on, everybody? This is RF Mike, and tonight we are going to be taking a look at keyboards. For keyboards, a lot of you guys use your standard keyboard that comes installed on your device, whether it's a Samsung keyboard, or LG's version of the Google keyboard, or HTC's version of a pure keyboard. Some of you go with keyboards such as the Google keyboard, Swipe, SWIFTKEY. There's all kinds of ones out there. But for me, I actually use SWIFTKEY. And recently, if you guys have paid attention to what's going on out there in the Android news, you know that SWIFTKEY had actually been bought by Microsoft. So they actually sent out an announcement about that, saying, we all hope you have a great 2016 thus far. Learn about our exciting new ways we've been working on, from new emojis and free themes to our biggest announcement yet. The big news, Microsoft and SWIFTKEY. We are being acquired by Microsoft and are thrilled. Rest assured, our community commitment to SWIFTKEY is an app on both Android and iOS has never been stronger. Please check out our blog for more information. Here's our new emojis, yada yada yada. We're going to talk about all that stuff. But what I worry about is if you guys have paid attention to when Microsoft has acquired other applications in the past, such as, I think it's Sunrise Email and a few other applications, some of them pretty much died on the vine right then and there. I think the reason why SWIFTKEY sold their company to Microsoft is, for one, they were looking to get more money. They had originally charged, I think it was like $3.99 or $4.99 for the SWIFTKEY application. That was your premium app, and you got some of the free skins, and you could buy skins, buy new packs and whatnot. And then later on, after they made enough money and they wanted to get more people on their program and using their product, they started offering SWIFTKEY for free under the condition that you just buy packs when you wanted some new themes. So now, yeah, they sold themselves off to Microsoft. So it's kind of an up and down thing. The downside is, if you've ever read through some of Microsoft's fine print and whatnot about their user agreements and policies and procedures, they actually do sell their data that they collect on you and your usage to other third-party people and other companies, so that way they can figure out what you like and, you know, what to throw your way that you might be interested in. So for myself, if that happens, like, I haven't fully read the fine print on it, but if you go to the Play Store, let me come back here, and we open it up, under their new latest update, it says they've added the number row shown in the password field and agree to join Microsoft. So that's part of the newest update. There's fixes that you can see, possibly, once my camera focuses. There we go. There's fixes that you can see that they've worked on. The flow trail no longer disappears after switching themes. SWIFTKEY status does not load correctly the first time on Android 4.4 devices. The hub menu will no longer block the Q/1 key in the password field. So there's things they've been working on, which is good. And I'm hoping this keyboard just continues to get better. But what worries me is about your information being sold off to other companies. As you can see, I'm using the SWIFTKEY beta, so that way I can get some of the newest features first. But if you're not wanting to use this keyboard anymore, another one that had caught my eye that I heard about was this one called Chrooma Keyboard. And we're going to hit that link. We're going to open. And this keyboard is a paid keyboard. It's $1.49. And it actually has all kinds of things. Swipe enabled. This is kind of a stock Google keyboard with their own custom themes added on top, such as the swipe enabled custom size, index support, color picker, number row option. Let's see, palette mode, night mode. What else do we have here? When it comes to your settings, you can do your appearance, layouts. Now we're back to this, swipe enabled. Another thing I heard about this keyboard is that you can actually do, with this keyboard, you can actually do, in the settings, you can adjust, if you want the keyboard to adjust material design-wise to the background colors that you're on in a certain application, such as if you were in Gmail, you have your red up here on your status bar, the keyboard will turn red. It'll actually, when the phone dims, the keyboard's color will darken as well. Like you saw, there is a night mode for when you're typing in the evening. So we'll go ahead and open this up and we'll walk through the settings on this to see how this keyboard actually works. As you can see, it kind of actually looks like the Google keyboard, because you can see this is the same welcome page, same type of layout that you'd see on the Google keyboard that you download from the Play Store. So we'll go ahead and enable this in the settings. Okay, next we'll switch input methods to, that was correct, right? Yes. Head back, and we are finished. So that is installed. Let's say we go to a Gmail or a Hangouts and pull something up here. Okay, so I have a message set up here to go to my wife. If we go ahead and tap in our body where we're going to write, you can see the keyboard actually is the same green that matches the Hangouts green. So let's try something else. Alright, and so here we are in Gmail, looking back at that same email. If I hit our reply button, the keyboard, you can now see, actually turns to the same red accent that we have in Gmail itself. So that is a quick look at the Chrooma keyboard. I'm not going to bother going through all the exact settings and boring you with everything on it, but let's say we go back to the Play Store, we hit our search, we can see the keyboard's white. Say we go somewhere where we have a different color. Let's go into the movie section. Oh, the keyboard's still white there. I'm trying to think of another spot where we can pull up a different color. What if we were in Facebook, for example? Open that up. Let's say we're going to type something. Yep, now our keyboard turns to the same type of blue as Facebook. So there you have it. That's a quick look at the Chrooma keyboard. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. This is RF Mike. I will include the link for that keyboard in the video description down below. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.